Here we will write a Python program to display employee information with inheritance. So first in comment line we will write, here base class accepts employee ID and employee name, and child class accepts department, designation and basic salary. First we will define class employee, and then we will define constructor with def keyword and init with two parameters as self, EmpId and EmpName. Then we will assign these constructor variables to local as self.empid equal to EmpId and self.empName equal to EmpName. Then we will define another class emp information which will inherit employee, and then we will define constructor for this class as init with 5 variables, first 2 from superclass, that is employee ID and employee name, and 3 variables as department, designation and basic. Then we will use super keyword to get the data from the employee class. So super dot init EmpId and EmpName, and then we will assign department, designation and basic with self keyword as self.department equal to department, self.designation equal to designation and self.basic equal to basic. Then we will write a method to display this information as def display information with self, and we will use print statement to display the information. So print employee ID equal to, we will print self.employee ID. Then we will print employee name with self.employee name. Then we will print employee department as self.department. Then designation and basic salary as self.basic. Then we will accept this information from the user. So EmpId equal to int input employee ID. Then we will accept employee name as EmpName equal to input, since it is string no need to convert it, input employee name, then department with input department name, then designation as input designation and basic. Here we will convert it to integer. Then we will create object for employee information. So E equal to employee information, and we will pass these values as a constructor parameters. So EmpId, name, department, designation and basic, and we call the method display information from this class. So E dot display information, since E is the object for the class that we have created. And we execute this. I will give employee ID as 1, then employee name, department, designation and basic salary. It will print employee ID, name, department, designation and basic salary.